Adobe Photoshop Express. It's an application that is a little bit similar to the big size Photoshop that you need to pay for, but it's completely for free. And on this video, I'm going to show you how you can download it and install it in your PC. To install it, you want to go into the Microsoft Store. And once you are here, you want to type into the search bar Photoshop. You're going to find right here the application of Adobe Photoshop Express. Click on it. And now on this left side, you want to click into Get. Depending on your internet connection, this is going to take a little bit time to download, so just wait until this is done.
A few moments later.
And when it's downloaded, you can open it by clicking right here or by tapping into the Windows search bar Photoshop. And you're going to find it right there. Now, to get access to all of the premium features and content for free, you will need to access or with your Google account, Facebook account, Adobe ID, or with your email. In my case, I'm going to select Google, is the easiest one for me. And that is it. Now you can take all your pictures and start working on them with Adobe Photoshop Express completely for free in your PC. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, unboxings, reviews, and everything else that I do right here. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.